Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorials. Today we'll be going through some general troubleshooting. Let's jump right in. So when Agrimaster doesn't open on your computer, it can usually be due to antivirus blocking it. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using Trend Micro. If you have any other software, it'll be very similar, but you might just have to take different steps. So firstly, we just need to open the antivirus. You can do this one of two ways. You can either find it on your desktop if it's there, or if you find this little arrow at the bottom right, find the antivirus hidden here, and then you'll just have to open it. Once you've opened the antivirus, you want to find the settings, find the exception lists, and then click Add, Browse. And so what we're going to be doing is adding Agrimaster into here. So to do that, we'll go to this PC, local disk, users, public, and just click Agrimaster, and then open. Click OK. And then we'll have to do it again, but to a different pathway. So again, we click Add, Browse, this PC, local disk, and then just Program Files 86, and then Agrimaster again. Then we click Open, OK, and this time we're going to click Apply. And click OK. And so now the antivirus won't block Agrimaster from opening anymore. And so the next issue we'll be looking at is when you get a sync error and you can't open your file. This issue occurs when the file may not have completed the upload or download process. So to fix this, we just need to open the work folder. So we'll go into File Explorer, just search at the bottom here. And then we'll go to scroll down and find this PC, local disk, users, public, Agrimaster, and then scroll down to work, and then just open your number. And then you'll notice here there'll be a log file. All you need to do is click on this log file, click delete, and then you can close File Explorer. And then once you go back into Agrimaster, it should finish the upload process and you should be able to access it again. The final issue we'll be looking at is if you still can't open the file, or if you get a generic error has occurred message which won't go away. To fix this, you need to force end Agrimaster. So to do this, we'll go to the search bar and we'll find Task Manager. We'll open this up. And once it's open, we're just going to look for Agrimaster. So usually it will appear here, but mine's gone under the Microsoft Edge tab. So we'll just click on that and then click End Task. And then what that will do is make it disappear here and also close Agrimaster itself. What that'll do is make Agrimaster complete the upload process, and once that's complete, you'll be able to access it again through the Agrimaster icon on your desktop. So that's the end of our troubleshooting tutorial. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All our links in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.